Hi, in this video you will learn how to add and subtract similar fractions. Before we start, let's first recall the following. A fraction has two parts. The upper portion is what we call as the numerator, and the lower portion is what we call as the denominator. A fraction is a proper fraction if the numerator is smaller than the denominator. We say that a fraction is improper if the numerator is larger than the denominator. Lastly, we say that a fraction is a mixed fraction or a mixed number if it contains a whole number and a proper fraction. Here's how to simplify a fraction. The fraction 4 over 8 is not in simplified form. To simplify this fraction, we need to find the GCF or the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator, which is 4 and 8. So let's start with 4. The factors of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. It will also include 1 and 4 because 1 times 4 is also 4. Now let's proceed to 8. The factors of 8 are 2 and 4 because 2 times 4 is 8. 1 and 8 are also a factor because 1 times 8 is equal to 8. Now, to determine the GCF, we need to search for the biggest factor that is common to 4 and 8. That factor is 4. So, to simplify the fraction 4 over 8, we need to divide each number by 4. Dividing each number by 4 will result to 1/2. Now 1/2 is the simplified form of 4 over 8. A fraction can be classified as similar and dissimilar fraction. We say that fractions are similar if they have the same denominator. And we say fractions are dissimilar if they have different denominator. And in this video, we will focus on similar fractions. Now let's start adding and subtracting similar fractions. Here we have similar fractions, 1/3 plus 1/3. Adding similar fractions is easy. You simply add the numerator and copy the denominator. So here we have 1 plus 1 and the answer is 2. Then we copy the denominator, which is 3. So the answer to this is simply 2/3. Here's another example. 4 over 7 plus 1 over 7. Here we are still adding proper fractions. Again, the first step is to add the numerators. We have 4 plus 1 and the answer to that is 5. Next is we copy the denominator. In this case, it's 7. So the answer to this is 5 over 7. Here we have 4 over 7 minus 2 over 7. The first thing we need to do is to subtract the numerators. 4 minus 2 is 2. So our numerator is 2. Second, we copy the common denominator. In this case, it's 7. So the denominator is also 7. So the final answer to this is 2 over 7. In this example, we have an improper fraction minus a proper fraction. Just like earlier, we need to subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So we have 5 minus 3, and the answer to that is 2. Next, we copy the common denominator, and it's 4. So we copy 4. So the answer to the problem is 2 over 4. Take note that 2 over 4 or 2/4 can still be simplified. To simplify, we need to get the GCF of the numerator and the denominator. That number is 2. So we divide 2/4 by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the simplified answer would be 1/2. Here we have to add two mixed fractions which are similar. The process in adding mixed fraction is the same. But before adding the fraction part, we must add first the whole numbers. We have 3 plus 2 and the answer is 5. Now that we're done with the whole numbers, we can then proceed to fractions. So again, add the numerators. We have 1 plus 2 and the answer to that is 3. Next, we have to copy the denominator, which is 7. Next is we combine the whole number and the fractional part. So the final answer would be 5 and 3 over 7. In this example, we need to subtract two mixed fractions. Just like earlier, we operate whole numbers first. We have 3 minus 2 and the answer is 1. Next, we subtract the fractional part. So again, subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. 4 minus 3 is 1. So our numerator is 1. Next, we copy the denominator. In this case, it's 5. Next is we combine the whole number and the fractional part. So the final answer would be 1 and 1/5. Here's a summary of the steps we take in adding and subtracting similar fractions.